Let's test. Oh, that's the line. That's not used anymore. It's pre-war. See, this was a huge mountain in a second. To get up, it was okay first gear though. But let's see how it goes downhill. From here on now, it's going downhill. So yeah, what I'm gonna do today is not gonna cross the border, although I can't cross the border even now. I need to wait until 4 o'clock. So basically I don't lose a day. I did a little bit of miles north and then I have 5 days to go to Kiruna. That's a town where they can fill out those butane bottles. Why? Where is that mountain that I climbed? What? Was that? That was more scary, down uphill than downhill. Yeah, I'm gonna take the highway. Yeah, it's a fast way. It's 40 kilometers less. So yeah. And now I'm gonna do a little bit of kilometers just to fill out the gas bottles, because in Finland there is absolutely no chance I can fill them out. In Sweden there were 2 locations where they fill out. Right. Go right. So there were 2 locations that can fill out butane bottles with propane. They want to do that. They are barbecue stores and they want to do that. They are very well known in Sweden. The whole population knew the Nordic location, and that's more than 1500 kilometers apart. So, and then I did the 2 locations in Sweden where you can fill out those foreign butane bottles with propane. They don't even want to accept my bottles to change to their bottles, let alone fill them. And this store does that, and it's well known, and apparently it's not illegal or something. Otherwise, yeah, in Sweden stores don't do anything illegally. There is absolutely no chance. Swedes are like robots. Germans are really following the law. Belgians don't. They always, when they say 120, if you can do 120, and you have such amount of percentage to go over it. Correction. We're gonna calculate the correction and go a little bit higher. That's a Belgium. In Germany, they don't really do that a little bit, because yeah, they can drive on certain roads as fast as they want. So that's minimum, but in Sweden they don't drive too fast. No way, they don't do 51 in a 50. No way, Jose. Some, but they are crazy. So you have everybody that follows the rules and 0.1% that completely ignores them. So it's not 51 in a 50, they do 90 in a 50. So yeah. So we're gonna fill out the gas bottles. I have 2 gas bottles, 1.5 actually. And the big one, yeah, I'm gonna sleep 2 nights on the way to that store, because I don't gonna drive myself crazy. I don't gonna do 250 kilometers in a day. I'm not doing that. Because also, if I do now the 250 kilometers to the gas bottles, I'm full of gas again. That's a farm really far from everything. Oh, it starts to rain. What? and even good. That's a funny one. I didn't expect this. They didn't say this on the weather forecast. The forecast is really crap lately. It's getting worse by the years.
Holy crap! This is one huge river. And moving so much water. The question is it cold, eh? Yeah. It's pretty cold, very sweet. Actually tastes good. Jesus Christ, it's so white. Yeah, we're walking in a nature reservoir. It's actually pretty nice here. Too bad it's such a road for quads, but yeah, otherwise it would be not accessible. So yeah, it is what it is. It's not too bad of a path. For sure. Ooh. It's so sweet. Oh, it's with a lock, so it's not community. And that's probably again a sauna. Yeah, they love their saunas. What is this? This with a lock, so it's not community. Looking for the community. So it's again privately owned. These 4, 5 huts. This one as well. Oh yeah, it's named, so it's probably. And this is maybe. Yeah, this is community built. This is open for all. So you can have a sleep here. Also good day fishing. Also. Again a sauna, I think. Maybe if you live here you get a key. I don't know. Calmer water. Man, this is insanely awesome to fish. Evening campfire with beer. Lagarna. I'll translate. Feel free to borrow the barbecue hut for a while, but leave it in the condition you would like to find it. Yeah. It's clean. It's clean. Wow, that's dangerous. Barbecue kind of thing. Oh yeah, you have coals here, and then this is the thing. Nice. And then it can rain off. Oh, and that's an ant. Allee, kom in. This is an ant hill. Oh, this is. Oh, there's a toilet. A toilet. Wait, I rake it. That's so clean. Oh, that's so clean. Nee, but I smell it though. Oh, this is for trash. This is for trash. Nice. Probably you can leave your cans and your bottles, and then they bring it back for the money. So they have income. Jeez. Very nice here. Very nice. With the sun. Through the trees. Yeah, this was worth the walk. How many kilometers was it? Oh, it was only two and a little bit. So back and forth 4. I thought it was 4 already, but it was uphill and downhill. But I think I'm gonna have more uphill now. But I wanna, because the water is now at my feet, ground level. But where my car is, it's like 30 meters up. Because I wanted to go to the water, because it's making a lot of noise. That's why I'm maybe gonna move the caravan again. It's very loud. And I think this is a natuurreservaat, nature reservate. You normally can't camp out in the nature reservate. So that's why maybe I'm gonna move myself. I don't think people are gonna come between now and tomorrow. Maybe a solo fisher, a lone fisherman. Oh my god, I'm going uphill. Nice spot here. I drove like, I think 23 kilometers in off-road terms. It's not really off-road because there is a road. It's hardened, so it's a path, but you can go out of first gear, so for sure not with the caravan. And then the other 40 kilometers, let's say, or 50 even, but there were 10 kilometers asphalt and 40 gravel. Half of it was bad gravel. Oh, I need to stop talking because I need my breath. We're going uphill.